credit score fast. And if you got bad credit, we're gonna start with secured card, and we're gonna put $300 on this credit card, and you're gonna use this card for all your bills. And you're saying, why are we gonna use the credit card for all the bills? And it's because we're gonna use the card. This is how we're gonna increase our credit score, because we're gonna put our paycheck on the credit card every week. It's a $300 limit. So let's just say you make you bring home $500 a week. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna pay whatever expenses with this card, and whatever amount it is. Just say we use the whole $300. So we're gonna take our paycheck, put $300 on this card every week. Every week. So for 4 weeks, after 4 weeks, that's gonna be $1,200 on that card. So when the cycle comes around, you got a 30-day, 45-day cycle. And the credit card company's gonna see that you put $1,200 through a $300 limit card. So when they do the cycle, when that next month comes in, they're gonna raise your limit to $1,500. So now you done went from you're no longer a secured card. You done went to your regular credit card. No secured card, and you got a $1,500 limit. So you're gonna do the same thing. So now you don't increase. You don't basically you build interest by doing this. So what this is gonna do, you done built this up. Now you're gonna start getting offers from other credit cards, because it's a competition. So then you may get another credit card for $3,000. Another credit card might come and might be $5,000. And what this is gonna do, this is gonna build up your usage rate. Even if you have a credit score of, let's say, 450 credit score, and your score could be 450, but with you doing this, with you using all your money and running it through this card, this don't matter no more, because the credit card company sees, all they see is you running all this money through this card. So now you're gonna get offers from your mailbox to be flooded. Credit card company gonna be sending you, and they're not gonna be sending you no pre-approved. They're not gonna send you no pre-approved. They're gonna send you they're gonna send ironclad, and what ironclad offers are, they don't check your credit. If it's ironclad, whatever the offer is, and you accept it, you get it. You don't have to worry about them checking your credit or not, because your credit's out the door, because you're running so much money through this credit card that it don't matter no more. But your credit score gonna jump because you're getting all these other offers. And then you're getting, like, just say you get a $5,000 card, $3,000 card, $2,000 card, and maybe maybe another $1,500 card. So that's what 5, 8, 90, what 95. Maybe I just say let's just say 11,000. You get 11K. Now your score probably done went from a 450 to probably a 6. I'll say a 625. Just from that little bit, and you just keep doing this. So then just say, like, say you have you're affiliate market, and you're working too, and then you're making such, and say you're making 700 to 800 a week from your little affiliate marketing offer. So you can take that money and add to this 1,500. Let's say you use this 1,500 for your marketing, and you pay it back. So 1,500 4 times, that's $6,000. So now in 4 weeks you done put $6,000 through the card. So now you're gonna increase. This is gonna increase. This is gonna increase, just because of you running money, because the credit is drawing interest. But they say cash is king, but credit is really the key to everything, because cash don't draw no interest. So you say you done run 6,000 through this. Now, when your next update, they're gonna increase this. Like, let's say this give you 7,500, and you use that 7,500 for your marketing, and it's just gonna keep going and going. Now that you got this $7,500 card, then other people they're gonna try to offer you more. Then you might get a card that's 10,000. You know what I'm saying? 10,000. You might get cards that have 10,000, 15,000 coming because of this one card. That started with a $300 limit. Now you got credit limit probably up to 50K, and this is gonna go from this to probably this. And now you done boosted your score. You done built up a way for you to have money without even using your own money, as far as your marketing and advertising. And you open up doors to do other stuff, because you don't want to just, you want to monetize your credit. You don't want to just use your credit to buy stuff. You want to monetize your credit. You want to have something that you can put this money towards to bring you back more money. So this is a way to increase your tongue tie. A way you can increase your credit score fast. This is the fastest way of doing it, by using your money to run through the card. Like, say you make $2,400 a month, run the money through the credit card. Don't use your debit card no more. Take your debit card out of your wallet, and just have this credit card and use it for gas, food, whatever expenses, phone bill, whatever bill you can pay. And then if you have something, like now I think they changed where you can't pay car payments no more. So you just do a cash advance and pay your car payment. Just put the money back. So this is a formula you could use to build your credit fast, without having to sit back and just wait on paying. Because most of them, they just want to see you pay on time. But when they see you pushing this through, the credit score goes out the window. You don't have to worry about no credit score, because they see they see you're paying it back, and they're gonna see, they think you're using the same 300, but to them it's gonna look like you gave them 1,200. So you don't have to go out and get a card and pay for months. You do this for 6 months. Oh, you gonna be in another. This credit card is gonna be boom. Your credit score gonna be boom, and then you're gonna be getting more and more offers from other creditors because they see this, dollar signs. You don't see credit score no more. So that's basically it for the video. Like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you can know when I upload another video. Thanks for coming to my channel. Charles Finney Tips. Like, subscribe, share the video. See you on the next one. Peace.